Hey there, my name is Dara. I'm doing this unboxing for you of the LG's new A949KTMS. It is their flagship model vacuum. Let's get into this. So first, got the heart of the machine right here with its motor. It opens like this. I've got a washable filter here, and I noticed that they were nice enough to provide me an extra one of those. That is great. This is just really lightweight. I love how lightweight this is, and I'm gonna go ahead and add one of my batteries to it. In the box, you get 2 batteries. They give you 100 minutes each fully charged. So I'm gonna put on my telescoping wand. Awesome. The thing that's great about this is that it extends up to 10 inches in 3-inch increments, meaning I can get up really high without having to strain, which is awesome. And the first attachment to check out here is the Power Mop spray nozzle. Now this is a new and improved nozzle from previous models. The tank has actually been, the reservoir has been increased in size, and I can also add my choice of water or household detergents. In the box, there are 2 sets of mop pads, so one to go and one is backup. These both are machine washable, which is awesome. Let me go ahead, put that in. That's gonna come in really handy on mop days. Now when I'm not using this, it stores really conveniently right here on the side of my tower, like that. Great, so the next piece to check out here is this dual floor max nozzle. Now this is really great because it can tackle pretty much any floor terrain you may have in your house. It has 2 motorized brushes on the bottom. One that's a smooth bristle for your tiles and your hardwoods, and then a bristle brush for your carpets and your rugs. Between the 2, you won't have to go find extra attachments, you just have it all in one. And that just clips on right there, ready to go. The Power Mini nozzle, great for cleaning upholstery. With every tool, there's a satisfying click. I love that. And now I can just get all the pet hair and debris right off of my couch. And on the side, I'm gonna point out the compressor so I can keep going. It'll push down all the debris that you've accumulated, which is really handy so I don't have to keep emptying this. With the A949KTMS, you do get that extra battery like I mentioned earlier, so you double the runtime. This actually charges right in the unit itself. It goes right here, ready to go when you need it. You get There's a vacuum bag already installed, but you get 2 extra, and you also get 1 extra internal filter. One thing I've learned about maintenance is that it's great to keep your vacuum clear and free of debris. So here's a little trick. The bottom opens with this latch. You can actually use the crevice tool to unlock the cyclone. You can actually take this out and rinse it under warm water. Just make sure it's nice and dry, and put it back in. Go. Easy. If you're prone to allergies, you're gonna love the A949 because it actually has a 5 filtration component to its motor. So you can see one here, there's one here, they gave me an extra one, there's 2 internal, and then the cyclone at the bottom is a 5th. This all means 99.9% of allergens are removed every time you use the A949. So another reason to make sure that your LG vacuum is paired to the ThinQ app is that it fits in right with all the other LG products that the app hosts. You'll get tips on service and maintenance reminders. You can do troubleshooting. You get alerts when the batteries are fully charged. It's just a lot of peace of mind right at your fingertips. So now that we've gone through all that's included in the box with the A949, I'm gonna show you how it stores in its tower, which is great because everything that it comes with stores in the tower. You're not gonna lose any of the pieces. So start with the wand. So the crevice tool and the combi tool live right on the side. Here, awesome. And then this, the mini nozzle goes right on this side. So that's gonna charge at the same time as the unit. So when I come back to use this the next time, it'll be all ready to go again.